For 25 years, Youth Villages has helped children and their families. We work with families in their homes to help rebuild a supportive, safe environment. We help youth who need extra support in beginning their journey into adulthood. We make sure there is joy in every child's life on our residential campuses. Since 1986, Youth Villages has helped more than 66,000 children, from 25 children in 1986 to more than 18,000 this year, when we will help children and their families from offices in 11 states and D.C. Our staff is truly the force for families, and it shows.
Years ago, we said, how can we go out and ask other people to donate money if we don't give ourselves? We need to make that first donation to show that, one, we believe in our work, but also we're willing to make a sacrifice as well.
This year, the Our Family campaign would like to show you how much you've meant to our kids and to your coworkers. Stephen and his Youth Villages counselor, Melissa, meet regularly. They laugh, and the topic of conversation can vary greatly, but the mission is always the same, making sure Stephen is on the right track.
My personal goals for the future, number one, is to be a teacher.
Stephen is working full-time and going to school full-time with a 3.8 GPA. When Melissa met him not long ago, he was a few hours shy of his high school diploma and was aging out of foster care.
Once a kid's 18 years old, where do they go between that being a child and moving into an adulthood, and who's going to be there to help them to do that successfully? I think that it's a real turning point for these youth in their lives, and it's really a fork in the road for them.
Melissa works in Youth Villages' Transitional Living Program, which helps young people in foster care make the important transition into adulthood.
I enjoy being in transitional living because it provides a lot of support where I need it the most. Education, work. I need someone there to make me feel wanted, to make me feel like I have a right to be here. Like I deserve to be here.
Because of you and your contributions to the Our Family campaign, the Transitional Living Program is making a difference for young people like Stephen. This year, Youth Villages will serve nearly 2,000 young adults across the country.
If Youth Villages had not intercepted me, I think that I would just be some high school dropout. But thanks to Youth Villages, I have goals.
Larnesia is also in the Transitional Living Program. She went into foster care 2 years ago when she had her daughter, Diamond.
I love my daughter. I do. I really love her. She's precious. I don't know what I would do without my baby girl.
Larnesia meets weekly with Lauren, her Youth Villages counselor. Lauren has helped Larnesia get stable housing and recently helped her regain custody of Diamond.
It's really encouraging to see someone like her, who's been through so much, be so successful.
Larnesia is working on finishing high school, and then the sky's the limit.
I would like to attend UT Martin to do nursing.
For Larnesia and many other transitional living youth, this program is about having someone who believes in them, someone like Lauren.
She teaches me how to be a good mother and discipline and keeping patience. I love Lauren.
To actually see them go into adulthood and be successful, to really see that happen, that all the money and time and fundraising that goes into this Our Family campaign is really worth it.
Our Transitional Living Program simply couldn't happen without your support through the Our Family campaign. Your donations also support our mentoring, adoption, and spiritual life programs, as well as residential program enhancements. Our family funds also help our clients who have suffered a tragedy, like this family, who lost everything in a house fire.
I woke up about 2:30 in the morning by a popping noise, and I hollered at my wife, and I told her the house was on fire.
Fortunately, everyone got out alive, but they faced a tremendous struggle rebuilding their lives.
And all it kept racing through my mind was, God, where are we going to go? What's going to happen to us? We got these 3 kids.
Alan and Carolyn are raising their 3 grandchildren. The oldest, Whitney, was in our Intercept program when the fire happened.
We were probably seeing our biggest progress at that time, but when the fire happened, it sent the family into financial stress. The stress at the home increased the conflict, increased the aggression.
Our family funds helped Whitney's family get back on their feet and regain the progress they had all worked so hard to achieve through the Intercept program.
You just really don't know how much of a blessing you are to people that has to go through this. If it wasn't for Youth Village helping us, we would have never made it.
I like to thank them all for what they've done for us and helped our family out a lot.
Our family funds also help us look after our own Youth Village's family. Our co-workers like Julie Long. Her house suffered damage when devastating storms swept through Alabama this spring.
I got a call from my mother-in-law, who's at my home, saying that a storm had gone through our area and we had a lot of trees on our house. It was pretty frightening.
Julie wasn't the only Youth Village's employee who was affected by the storms, and she wasn't the only one to receive our family funds.
That's the value of the company, is to support its employees and the families that it works with when they have a time of need.
Times like these can make you really appreciate what matters, like believing in what you do.
I like working for Youth Villages and a company that does care about its employees and people.
Youth Villages cares. We want success for the children, young people, and families we serve, and for the staff who makes our programs the best in the country. Whatever amount you choose to give, you can be sure you're changing a life.
I know that these donations are a big sacrifice for many of you, and I know that you're probably doing without something to make this contribution. But I can promise you that every penny that you donate to our campaign will make a difference in the life of a young person.
A life that is part of our 25 inspiring years of changing lives. Please help us continue this amazing history. It's because of you.